Let's talk about avocado toast that's truly full of flavor. I like to take my knife just through the avocado with a few slices and using a spoon, scooping out about 1/4 of an avocado to about each piece of English muffin. I think it's a nice, generous portion. And then with a simple dinner fork, one of the best ways to mash that avocado into all of the little grooves and nooks on whatever piece of bread you're using. Looks so good. I'm gonna take a little bit of lemon and squirt over all of our toasted muffins. Gives it a nice brightness. Maybe a couple slices of tomato and some gorgeous sea salt over top of all of that. For our other muffin, I'm doing an everything bagel seasoning, which is a blend of sesame seeds, salt, garlic, onion, and poppy seeds. Oh, so good. Next time you make avocado toast at home, don't forget these layers of flavor. I hope you enjoy.